Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a very powerful Cypress command, that is cy.readFile. So I'll copy it here. So this command is super useful when you want to validate download files, read the test data, or compare the file content with UI and API response. So what exactly cy.readFile is? cy.readFile allows us to read the content of a file from our Cypress project and use that data inside our test. Cypress also gives us automatic retries, which means it keeps checking until the file exists. Very useful for download validation. So the syntax is very simple, guys. You just need to write cy.readFile and then specify the file path here. So let's start with a simple example. Suppose we have a text file inside this fixtures folder. So let me create one text file called helloworld.txt. So inside that I am writing hello world, and we will try to validate this particular text is present in this text file or not. So I am saving this and I will write a small test case to validate this content. So I will cut this here and paste it here. So for that I will specify the path here. So as this is in the Cypress path and fixtures, I will navigate to this particular hello world dot txt. Firstly I will see whether this particular txt file is visible or not. Should exist. So this is one assertion, and I'm also trying to see. So this has been passed. Okay. I will copy it here and just see if this particular path file is containing, should contain the text hello world. So this is successfully validating this particular text. So we will now try to validate the JSON response also. For that I will create one more file called users.json. Here I will write the name, let me give John. So it is expecting the double quotations here. And the age is, let us give 80. For this I will write one more test case for JSON. Here I will give this path users.json, and I will copy this particular Let me do one thing. I will run it like this only, because I need to show you whether this is working or not. Let me fail this test case deliberately. So here I will give the data. So now I will expect the data dot name to dot equal to John, and I will copy this particular assertion, and I will try to validate the age, and it should be equal to 80, right? So this particular validation should fail because we are trying to see this data, like this JSON file, actually it is a text file, should contain John and the age is 80. So let me run. See, as expected, this is failing. Let me change it to users.json. Okay, we should give the file name correctly, then run it again, right? So in the real-time scenarios, whenever you are downloading any PDF, it will take some time to validate. So for that, now I will do one thing. I will deliberately wait for 5 seconds. So in that scenario, let us see, this is a real-time waiting time, minimum waiting time. Okay, after 5 seconds, it might take 15 seconds to download that particular file. So for that, you need to add the timeout here. Time out to 15 seconds. Okay, after 5 seconds, it is the minimum time it is taking to download that particular file, and within 15 seconds it should download that file. So we are adding the wait statement here. So let us run. See, it is waiting for 5 seconds, and within 15 seconds it should validate. So this is working as expected. Okay, so there are some common mistakes that you need to avoid while using this cy.readFile. One is, you should not use OS paths to validate these particular files. What does that mean is, if you copy this path, then just paste it. See, this is taking the path from your OS, like from the D drive. It is taking from this folder to this folder, and it is navigating, and it is taking this particular path. You should never use this. This is wrong way of using the path. So instead, you should use the path from your Cypress project only. Why? Because, if at all, if you are sharing this code to your colleagues, and if at all that particular person is not having this file in the same location as that is mentioned in this test case, this will fail, right? And don't expect to file like cy.read file to read the PDF files. Okay, for that you need to install the third party plugin and then convert that to text and then validate the text inside this. So I will also give you one interview tip. Like, if at all the interviewer asks about how do you validate the download files in Cypress, you need to answer, we use cy.read file because it has inbuilt read drive and can validate the file existence and the content, right? So that's it for today's video on cy.readFile in Cypress. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what Cypress topic you want to cover next. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye.